Hi friends, this is the KLKE Apple iPhone and iWatch charger stand, and you can see this. We open this pack and here is the stand and the cable with it, and this is just a gift card or maybe the other stuff. So it's pretty easy to use and you can see the quality is good. There is a rubbery cushion on the bottom so that it will not slip from the table. So here's the socket for the iWatch charger that is here, and the cable I will show you like how you can put it there. And this cable have one lightning side inside and the USB thing. So let me open. It's a good length cable. So one port will go in the USB and the other port will go for the iWatch charger thing, and the one lightning can be used for the iPhone. So this is the lightning cable with it, and here is the USB that goes into USB thing. So you can see the lengthwise it's good, so it's not that you have to charge your mobile here itself. You can put it on the bed or somewhere, but if it is on your table you can use it. So let me just put a little demo. So let me remove this protective covering, and then the cable will goes here, and then you just push it inside the socket. So here it goes. So you can charge your iWatch from this charger, and this lightning cable will go in the mobile. So I'm just putting an iPhone here, and this is the lightning cable. I'm just putting the lightning cable and the charging started. So this one is really good. Actually the mobile and the iWatch can charge at the same time, and the stand itself is good. You can use this stand actually to watch video or anything like with your mobile. And this is the smooth covering, that will be easy. And you can see this is a metal hard bound stand and sturdy, that it will not fall with your iPhone and stuff.